What's up guys, this is Tom from Crazy Auto Premiere, and today we're taking a look at some juicy details about Xiaomi's very first electric vehicle called the SU7 sedan. The Chinese tech giant is making big moves into the automotive space, and the SU7 promises to be an exciting blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Let's dive in. The Xiaomi SU7 is a fully electric sedan with dimensions of 4,997 mm long, 1,963 mm wide, and 1,455 mm tall, riding on a generous 3,000 mm wheelbase. It will be available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, with the RWD model packing a 220 kW motor and the AWD variant boasting a combined output of 495 kW from its dual motors. For the power-hungry enthusiasts out there, the top-spec SU7 Max promises some serious punch. We're talking a curb weight of 2,205 kg and a blistering top speed of 265 km/h. Even the base model is no slouch, with a respectable top speed of 210 km/h. When it comes to battery options, Xiaomi is partnering with two heavyweight suppliers, BYD and CATL. The more affordable trims will feature BYD's LFP battery packs, while the higher-end models will sport CATL's ternary and MC batteries. From the images we've seen, the SU7 cuts a striking figure with its sleek lines and aggressive stance. Xiaomi has also incorporated some cool tech touches like an active rear wing and a camera on the B-pillar for face recognition unlocking. One of the standout features is the inclusion of lidar sensors on certain trims, likely for advanced driver assistance systems or even potential self-driving capabilities down the line. According to the latest reports, mass production of the Xiaomi SU7 is slated to begin in December 2023, with deliveries kicking off in February 2024. The EV will be contract manufactured by BAIC, a state-owned automotive company that also has a joint venture with Mercedes-Benz. While official pricing hasn't been announced yet, we can expect the SU7 to be competitively priced, given Xiaomi's reputation for offering great value. As a tech-savvy brand entering the EV space, the SU7 could be a real game-changer, bringing cutting-edge features and connectivity to the masses. What do you guys think about Xiaomi's first electric car? Are you excited to see what they bring to the table? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome auto content. This has been your name from Crazy Auto Premiere, and I'll catch you in the next one.